Hey guys, you are watching rcu1t t.v. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make this paper Pokemon, the Gopbat, I guess, in this tutorial. So, I am making a new series, the Pokemon series, on which I will upload some origami Pokemons. So, let's get started to make this. First of all, you will need a square paper. I just created this line to and cut it this much from the A4 size paper. So just dark this fold, means make it visible. So this will be the reference, and open this thing and repeat the same for this side also. Means we have to create a line along this 2 points. So just take this point up to this point and squeeze this hard. So now you can see those lines. Now what we have to do is just take this line and fold it along this center line, and make sure that this tip is pointed just like this. And then just squeeze this side also. Means we have to do this on each fold. So now repeat this step with this side also. So after that your model will look like this, and repeat this step on this side also. Just take this line up to the middle line, just like this. After that repeat this same step on this side also. Just take this line up to the middle line, just like this. After that your model will look like this. Now what you have to do is just fold this thing over and take this side inside here, and then fold this thing, means this portion, over here, and again squeeze it harder. Sorry, my camera angle I guess is changed. So repeat the same step on this side also. Just take this line up to the middle line again, and then take this portion inside here and fold this over just like this. Now your model will look like this. Now what you have to do is just take this line and match it along this line. So for flip this over, take this thing out. Sorry, no, you don't have to flip it, just so. Now we can see there are lines on both sides. Now it is easy to match the both sides, and flip this side over. Repeat the same step for the other side also. So after that your model will look like this. Now what you have to do is just take this point, flip it over till you can see the this point. So just fold this over and make sure you just match this line with this line. Now repeat the same step for the other side also. Fold this and you can visible this point here. So after that your model will look like this. Now what you have to do is just open this thing and you can see there is line right here. You have to fold it along this line, and from the back you have to match this line with this line, just like this, and do it carefully. And then make sure that this line matches the front line. And now just press this thing aside and repeat the same step for the other side also. This step is a bit messy. And make sure that these two lines are parallel to this line, and then fold this thing over just like this. So I guess I just fold this thing. I have to fold it just like this, but I just folded wrong side. So if you do it, then just open the fold and fold it from back side. Sorry for the mistake, guys. So after that your model will look like this, and make sure you just correct these two with each other. So after that your model will look like this. So guys, this side is the back side and this side is the front side. So just take from the back side and fold along these 2 points. Means we have to create a line across these 2 points, just like this. Just like this. So from this model you can see that just like this. So flip this over. Now you have to fold along this 2 lines, means just create a crease on this point at this 2 points level. So just like this. If this thing is smaller than this two, that will be fine, and if this thing is bigger than this two, means this line is over these 2 points, then this will be okay. Now what you have to do is just unfold this line and outfold it, and then carefully fold it just like this. Repeat the same step on this side also. Now what you have to do is just take this line up to this line, just like this, and fold this thing over. Means this was just like this, and fold this, and now repeat the same step for this side also. After that, your model will look like this, and you have to do is open this thing up. Make sure you just fold this, not from this folds, you have to refold it just like this. So after that, just take this line up, this point up to this point, just like this, and just fold this thing along this line, and repeat the same step for the other side. Sorry, not from this side, just about this much, so that you can see, just like this, and repeat this thing over here also, and make sure that both are at constant. So now you have to do is just fold this thing over along with this line, just like this, or you can just take it more than this, but I prefer to using this line as a reference. And now repeat the same step on the bottom side also, just flip it over. Now in this case there is no reference points, just like this too. So what you have to do is just take this point up to the middle point, or you can just take a bit smaller than this but not bigger than this much. So open this thing up carefully, fold it, again fold this about this much, since we have to create a crease, not there are no reference points. So make sure that this line is perpendicular along with the edge. Now you have to do is just take this line up to this line, and then just fold it along the other side also, just like this. And after that, open this fold and fold this along, and then fold this thing up to this point and make the legs. So after that, flip it over, unfold this, and just take this much so that you can see only the legs, or you can just take more of it. I will take more, so just fold it just like this. Sorry. After that, we have to create wings just like this too. So what you have to do is just fold this thing along this line, just like this. Now just fold this line up to this line. After that, open this thing, or just take this point, and just we have just done just like this. Open this thing and take this line up to this line, just like this. And now just fold along this line, and just take this line up to this line. So one side is ready. Let me do it on the other side also. So now our model is ready. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe along with the bell icon, so you will never miss any updates from me. And thanks for watching.